What's up, guys? So here we are again. So this week we're gonna be working on that OBS. So I'm gonna be focusing on this the whole week. I know I've been putting it aside. I know, but I'm gonna get it done. The plan is to get it done in 2 weeks. So this 2 weeks I'm gonna be hitting it hard. So our checklist for this week is gonna be to pretty much paint the cab. So that's gonna be the must priority. And then I'm gonna, I'm gonna be multitasking when I get that primered in a little bit. I'm gonna be prepping the fenders, the doors, and the hood, and get them ready for primer. So I might primer everything all at once since I have a lot of space in the garage now. I got the motor out, got that Impala that's sitting over there. But I still need to finish that sucker, but I got the windows on there, so it looks pretty. But anyways, so yeah, so I'm gonna be working on the OBS this whole week until I get it done. So you guys stay tuned for the process, and talk to you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? So from the past 3 days I've been jumping around from panel to panel. As you can see right here, I got this door. It's this is the way the door should look. I put the itching primer on here. Yeah, these doors took some work. I was expecting to put paint on all this stuff, but I underestimated the work on these. But yeah, I still have to detail this one a little bit. So the whole goal here is to try to get all the glossy off, because the paint won't stick. So this is what happened with these doors, because they didn't prep them right. So when they painted the door, the paint was putting off. Well, yeah, I got all the panels here. I got the fenders ready. These are ready for paint. Probably have to put a little bit of trim primer here, but that's easy. Got to finish up this one. And then yesterday we were able to take the bed off. Me, my dad, and the owner of the truck, and my little brother. So we got the bed. So I'm gonna start sanding the back of the bed right here, finish up the little whatever I gotta do around the window, and hopefully primer it. So you guys stay tuned. What's up, guys? Here I am. I'm back at this truck. I'm about to get it. I'm about to primer it right now. But I decided I'm gonna do the shackles real quick. So since I got the bed off, I'm just gonna quickly change these shackles. I think these are, I believe they're a 2-inch drop. So I'm gonna put them on real quick. So you guys stay tuned. What's up, guys? So it seems like everything I do doesn't seem to go smooth. So I was a 5-minute job turned into like 45 minutes. I was doing the shackles, And I haven't tied them down yet because I want to make sure the trucks drop so they're both at the same level. So now I gotta take this hitch off to get to there's a bolt back here. You see it hits right here, so I can't get it out. I can't even remove the shackle. So now I gotta remove this whole hitch. So 10-minute job, 5-minute job turned into 40-minute job. So you guys stay tuned. Check it out, guys. Got them on there. Yep, 10-minute job turned to 40-minute job. I don't know if it did lower down. I didn't measure it. When I put the bed on, we'll be able to tell. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna wash this sucker up, put it in the garage, and put some Michelin primer on it, and get it primer so I can start block sanding this sucker. So you guys stay tuned.
¿Listo? Vámonos.
Yeah, pero tienes que pararte atrás. You okay? You got a good spot? What's up, guys? So I finally got this truck in the garage after a week or so that I've been talking about primer in this truck. Finally, I think the day has come where I'm gonna do some primer. Yeah, it was just so much prepping to do. I didn't want to just hit the primer on top of it. It looked like somebody spray painted the top of the truck. So whenever I was sanding, some of the paint kept peeling off, and I'm like, man, I can't shoot epoxy on top of this. So I got it down pretty much, not bare to metal, but I took all the paint I could take off. And I'm gonna do a spray some Michelin primer right now. First I'm gonna tape it up, obviously, but yeah, I'm gonna use some Michelin primer so it'll look something similar to this color, and that'll seal up the metal, and then I'll shoot some epoxy on top of it and let it dry and start block sanding. So I did a little bit over there, but I wanted to kind of just get on camera and let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, man, I'm excited for this. I've been dying to put some paint on this truck. Jeez. But I can't rest the process of prepping, because prepping is really important. The guys out there that know about painting, prepping is the most important step. But yeah, guys, so you guys stay tuned. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So I just finished putting 3 coats of primer on this sucker, and this is what it looks like. I was having trouble with that primer. I guess I got the wrong activator. It's a little warm out here, so it's starting to dry up, so I got a lot of texture on it. I'll be able to sand it off, but yeah, I was having a hard time spraying the last coat. Thankfully the other 2 coats were smooth. Yeah, guys, so the next step after this, I'll let it dry for a little bit, and then do spray some dye on here and start block sanding. And I'm hoping on the next video, I know I've been telling you guys I'm gonna paint it. Well, you know, prepping is really important. If I don't get this sucker prep right, we're gonna get a very shitty paint job. So for sure, I'm hoping next week I'm gonna put some paint on this cab. It doesn't look like it has any like big dings. I saw like 2 up there, and then like another one right here. But I mean, that shouldn't take too long. But I think the hardest part is going to be block sanding the roof. But for the most part, I think next week is going to be the week where I'm going to paint this, and this is going to be the hardest part. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. I'll talk to you guys later.